Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. That's the only way you are going to get notifications when we post new content, and you love the new content that we have got lined up. So subscribe if you're not subscribed so that you get notified when we post new stuff. Like this video. That's the only payment that I ask from you. Just liking the videos, which also motivates me to continue making content for you. And if you are looking for trading robots, if you are looking for forex trading systems, if you are looking for indicators, strategies, books and things like that, visit the two blogs. Links are in the description box below. You will find stuff from there. There are pages and pages on those blogs, so go through the blogs. If you don't find what you're looking for, then you can always come back and leave a comment in the comments box below. I think on that note, let me also point out that we have made a decision to not post robots on the channel on YouTube. We have attracted a lot of hate, and some of the guys who are selling some of these systems, you have seen them in the comments boxes, the threads and things like that. So I've made a decision to just post on the blog. If you want robots and systems, so just go straight to the blogs. Then if you need something probably explained, perhaps how to install them and things like that, we'll certainly make generic videos concerning that. So yeah, let's get into today's topic. So somebody asked how I plan my trades, how do I plan my trading week. So here is an idea of my typical trading week. Basically, I start on Sundays and on Fridays. So I basically take an off day on Saturdays. That's concerning my trading. So what do I do on Sundays? Basically, my Sundays are to review the trading week. I review the trading week and I journal everything that happened. And I also, when I say review the trading week, that's when I look at what happened in the previous week, and I also look at what might happen in the coming week. So I'm able to set goals and prepare for the market open early on Monday. So yeah, given my given my location, basically I start trading early on Mondays. Then come Monday, generally I wait for the market to develop. Mondays I am not aggressive. I am not looking to take aggressive trades or to just jump into the market blindly. I'm not rushing on Mondays. I'm waiting for the market to develop. Usually people say avoid Mondays and things like that. I think, yeah, on Mondays there are two things. You might find some trades, but what you want to do is don't force trades on Mondays, because it's a new week and everyone is trying to gain a sense of the direction. So you are typically waiting for the market to develop. Mostly you see consolidations and some manipulative price action on Mondays. So yeah, that's what I do on Monday. I look at waiting for the market to develop and show me a possible direction, a possible bias that we might be taking for the whole week. Tuesdays, that's when I really start looking into the market. Now I am hunting for trading setups. Price on Tuesdays will usually set the high or the low of the week. So you are looking for high probability setups and to scout those trades. So Tuesdays is generally really when the trading week, if you want to call it, kicks in. Sunday we were preparing. There was preparation and review, and Monday we were observing to see where is the market going. Is it going to what we thought it would do on Sunday? Then Tuesday you have a sense of the market is going or should be going this way. Wednesday is generally a trade continuation from Tuesday's momentum. So you are probably looking at the London pullback or the New York session continuation, but generally Wednesdays is continuation. I know people are looking for what they call the midweek reversal. It also does happen, but generally for me, Wednesday is continuation with the trades that I spotted on Tuesday. Thursday, again, I am looking for further continuation of price, looking for more lower highs or higher lows. Yeah, it's basically the final day of expanding on price action. So yeah, then come Friday. Friday is generally I'm looking for possible exits. Sometimes I don't want to hold my trades through the weekend, because sometimes when the weekend gap happens, you might be in a profit and the weekend gap happens and you have given a lot of money back to the market. So if I am confident in a trade, in a trend, on Fridays generally I'll scale down my position. I'll bank some profits. If I was in a position where it was worth $1,000, for example, on Friday I'll try and scale down that position and leave only $2,000 in those trades. So come Monday, if things don't go my way, at least 80%, 90% of my profit is in the bank. So on Friday I'm looking to exit the market, closing all the runners. Yeah, sometimes price sets the low or the high of the week and generally consolidates as people are going into the weekend. Saturdays, yeah, typically Saturdays, just relaxing before doing the same thing again on Sunday. So generally I think it's good that you have a plan. You plan your week, you know what's happening on which day of the week, what are you going to be doing, so that things don't just happen randomly. So yeah, Sundays for reviews, Mondays is observation, Tuesday is for getting into the market, Wednesday is continuing with the trades, Thursday is looking for more trades and continuing the market, Friday is looking for possible exits. So yeah, leave a comment in the comments box below and let me hear how your typical trading week is like. Again, like this video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, guys, bye.